Hi dear summer course teachers. Today I will show you how to use Khan Academy with your kids. Are you ready? Let's get started. But what is Khan Academy? It is a world-renowned nonprofit organization that offers free, high-quality education to learners everywhere. Besides, it is a fun, interactive, and completely free app designed especially for children ages 2 to 12. With stories, games, songs, and activities, your little ones can learn reading, English, and social skills while having fun. Let's install it. First, open the store at your cell phone. Type Khan Academy Kids and download it, then open it. Good job. All right, wait for the app to load, and here it comes the most important step so your kids can answer the activities easily. Tap on the button at home. Continue with Google. Type your account. It can be at conversa.com.mx or your personal account. Type your password and tap on Next and on Continue. Great, have a look at the bottom of the app. It says Parents. And with this option activated, your kids will be able to answer all of the online and offline activities in classes. Click on My Library. Now pay attention. Here you have all of the materials your kids can answer or play with. There are readings in the button books, videos, create, offline, letters and reading. Let's see how they work by checking some of them.
Give the truck the letter T.
T. Truck. B. Bike.
Drag the letters to spell the word kid. Yay! You spelled kid. Feed Olo the letter Z.
Z.
Yay! You fed Olo the letter Z. Trace the lowercase letter A. Good job! Trace the lowercase letter B. Good thinking!
Great job! Remember to use Khan Academy Kids with your children every day and follow each step carefully to make the most of the experience funny and meaningful. Wishing you all the best in your upcoming summer course.